Make a recipe. Make a shopping list. Go shopping.
And why do we wash our hands?
So, no dirt. I am making nachos.
What's the first step?
Put chips in a big pot. I am putting the cheese on the chips.
What are you making again?
Nachos. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 180 degrees.
180? Alright, let's go turn on the oven first.
Now we're putting it in. Now we'll have to wait. Now we're doing the wok. We chop lemon, we squeeze it in here. This, and then you chop it, and you take the pit out, you squeeze it, and then you put lemon in.
Then I cut the lemon and then I squeeze it. I cut the lemon open.
Now we got to squeeze while turning it.
So now we tip the lemon in.
Smoked paprika.
And then we put in salt and pepper. We get fork and squish down.
Now I'm taking it out of the oven.
Good job.
Now I'm gonna put on the sauce. Now I'm putting it in the oven. Now we have to wait again. Time to take it out of the oven. Yay! Yummy!
It's so yummy.
Yummy.